Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the STIHL 025 chainsaw if it won't turn off. Hey guys, so on to the actual saw here. So if your chainsaw is not turning off and it's on and it's running and you go to turn it off because you're done cutting and you flip it up and it still stays running, so more than likely your problem is just behind here. Let me go ahead and flip this thing down and take the cover off. Now you can't do this while it's running. It won't hurt it or hurt you. So basically this little piece right in here is the culprit of the problem. A lot of times it'll rattle out right like that and it'll be in there like that and it won't be in here in the correct space it's supposed to be in. And that most of the time, if your chainsaw's not turning off, even if it's not the 025, if it has that piece and it's not turning off, more than likely that is the problem why it's not turning off. It's super easy. You just slide this piece right back in here. And next I will be showing you guys an example of it not turning off and me repairing it. But I mean, this is hard with only one hand. There we go. But anyways, while I'm doing that, I'm not going to talk because when the chainsaw's on it's real loud and you can't really hear my voice. So, but I will go ahead and show you guys an example right now. Should turn right off. So just like that. And I don't know if you guys heard me, but whenever I was doing that, I said, so whenever this piece comes out, if it's just like barely in there like that and there's a gap, it still won't work. It needs to be, make sure it's pushed all the way up to the end, right like that. And it should work just fine. And it should turn off then. Hope you guys enjoyed that. So now you know how to fix the STIHL 025 or any other saw that has that little piece if it won't turn off. So there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.